BEICHEN mini fridge is a compact and versatile appliance designed to meet the needs of users looking for a small, portable refrigerator with both cooling and warming capabilities. With a 4-liter capacity, it can hold up to 6 12-ounce cans, making it ideal for personal use in bedrooms, offices, gaming rooms, or even cars. The fridge's size is perfect for tight spaces, measuring 11.9 by 10.6 by 7.6 inches, which allows it to fit comfortably on desks, nightstands, or in vehicles without taking up much room. One of the standout features of this mini fridge is its 6-speed adjustable LED lighting system. Users can switch between red, green, blue, purple, cyan, and yellow colors, creating a vibrant and customizable atmosphere. This lighting not only adds a technological and esports ambiance, making it especially appealing for gamers, but it also functions as a nightlight or decorative element. The LED lights are controlled via a touchscreen sensor on the mirror-like door, allowing easy switching of colors with a single tap and the option to turn the lights off with a long press. The 3D effect on the front door is visually striking and can be toggled on or off depending on user preference. The fridge operates quietly with a noise level around 25 decibels in sleep mode, ensuring it does not disturb work, rest, or gaming sessions. This ultra-quiet operation is a significant advantage for users who require a peaceful environment. The fridge's thermoelectric cooling system can lower the internal temperature up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit south below ambient temperature, while the warming function can heat contents up to between 113 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This dual functionality makes the mini fridge useful not only for chilling beverages and snacks, but also for extending the shelf life of skincare products, facial masks, or warming towels. Power options are flexible with both an AC 110V household power cord and a DC 12V car adapter included. This allows seamless use at home or on the go, catering to different lifestyles and needs. The long power cord and interchangeable adapter enhance convenience, especially for car use. The fridge's interior includes adjustable shelves that accommodate various item sizes, adding to its versatility. Users have praised the mini fridge for its space-saving design and capacity, noting that it holds a surprising amount given its small footprint. Many reviews highlight the adjustable lighting as a fun and practical feature, with the ability to dim the lights to suit different moods or times of day. The mirror door is appreciated for its dual purpose, serving as both a reflective surface and a decorative element. The fridge is described as a great gift option, especially for teenagers, gamers, or anyone who appreciates a compact cooling and warming device with aesthetic appeal. It has been used successfully for unique needs such as storing pet food in a bedroom without disturbing the household refrigerator. The quiet operation and effective temperature control have been repeatedly mentioned as key benefits. Some users have reported minor issues with shipping damage, such as scratches on the edges not protected by the plastic film, which is a drawback to consider. However, the overall build quality is regarded as good for the price point, which is under $50, making it an affordable and valuable purchase. In summary, the BEICHEN mini fridge offers a blend of functionality, portability, and style. Its cooling and warming capabilities, combined with customizable LED lighting and quiet operation, make it a versatile appliance for personal use in various settings. Whether for keeping drinks cold, snacks fresh, skincare products chilled, or towels warm, this mini fridge meets diverse needs efficiently. The inclusion of both home and car power options further enhances its usability. While minor shipping imperfections may occur, the overall user satisfaction is high, making it a recommended choice for those seeking a compact, multifunctional mini fridge with a modern design. If you own this product, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and facilitate easy access.